Welcome to a lesson on the golden ratio and how it relates to body parts. The golden ratio, also known as a golden proportion, is a ratio that can be found in beauty from nature to human anatomy, as well as in golden rectangles that are commonly found in building structures. The golden ratio is expressed in nature from plants to creatures, such as starfish, honeybees, seashells, and more. The golden ratio is commonly noted by the Greek letter phi. Phi is equal to the sum of 1 and the square root of 5 divided by 2, which is approximately 1.618, or as a ratio 1.618 to 1. On the right, we have a picture of a golden rectangle. Regardless of the value of x, the ratio of the length to the width is equal to 1.618, which is approximately the golden ratio. This is supposed to be the most visually pleasing rectangle. The golden ratio is approximated in several physical measurements of the human body, and parts exhibiting the golden ratio are simply called golden. The ratio of a person's height to the length from their belly button to the floor is equal to the golden ratio, or approximately 1.618. The bones in our fingers, excluding the thumb, are golden as they form a ratio that approximates phi, or again is approximately 1.618. The human face also includes several ratios, and those faces that are considered attractive commonly exhibit golden ratios. And now let's look at an example. If a person's height is 5 feet 10 inches, what is the approximate length from their belly button to the floor right into the nearest tenth of an inch, assuming the ratio is golden? So what we'll do is set up a ratio comparing the height to the length from the floor to the belly button, and again, this should be approximately equal to the golden ratio of 1.618 to 1. Let's work this out on the next slide. To begin, let's convert 5 feet 10 inches to inches. Because 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, we have 5 times 12 or 60 inches for 5 feet, and then plus 10 more inches, giving us 70 inches for the height. And now let's set L equal the length from the belly button to the floor, which is the red length here on the right. The ratio of the height to L must equal the golden ratio, giving us the proportion 70 to L must equal 1.618 to 1. And now we need to solve the proportion for L. We can either cross multiply or multiply both sides by L. Let's go ahead and multiply both sides by L. Notice on the left, L divided by L simplifies to 1, giving us the equation 70 equals 1.618L. And now we divide both sides by 1.618 to solve for L. The right side simplifies to L. On the left, we have 70 divided by 1.618, which to the 10th place value, which we can see on the right, is 43.3. And of course, the units are inches, so now we know the length from the belly button to the floor, this red length here, is approximately 43.3 inches if someone's height is 5 feet 10 inches. You may want to try this yourself and divide your height by the length from your belly button to the floor and see if you do get approximately the golden ratio. Thank you for watching.